Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my new another video. Let's begin. I sent you a message yesterday. They built a new bridge last year. I spent $50 at the supermarket yesterday. My girlfriend won the competition. I don't won the first prize, but we win second prize. I spent too much money last night.
We built our house last year. Built our house. We built our house
We built
last
our
year.
house last year. Did you send the
Sent.
letter? Yes, I sent.
Sent.
Did you send the letter? Yes, I signed it yesterday.
Sent.
They spent $20 yesterday.
They spent $20 yesterday. My parents built their house in 1980. How much money did you spend yesterday? I only spent $10. When did they build their house? They built it in 1925. Our team won the game last weekend. Julie sends a lot of emails every day. She sent me an email last Friday. Who won the game yesterday? My grandfather likes to send letters. He sent me a letter last week. She won 3 races last year. The company builds a new house every day, but they built one yesterday. I sent you a message yesterday. We didn't win first prize, but we won second prize. I spent too much money last night. Please like the video and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you guys.